Having problems with wires fraying at the ends or possibly causing shorts with nearby connectors or terminals? Well, stay tuned and I'm going to show you how the Preciva Ferrule crimping toolkit can help you make perfect pull-proof crimps. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Preciva Ferrule crimping toolkit, and it covers gauges 23 to 7. And 3 things you need to know about this. If you've ever dealt with a home stereo system where you have to bare part of the wire and you push it carefully into the back of the speaker, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And there's some other smart home technologies like some of the enclosed relays and other devices to where you have to put the bare wires in and then you turn a screw to tighten them in place. And over time, they'll fray, especially if you've nicked some of the wires. And this is where this kind of tool will do the job. Thing number 1, the crimping tool automatically adjusts to the needed diameter of the wiring it's being used on. Basically, once you put the right end on the stripped wiring, and you may have to strip more than once just to get it to where you can put all of the wiring, you get it to come as close to the end of the ferrule connector as you can. Then you what I do is I'll take the wiring and kind of turn it a little bit to kind of get it into itself so that as you're sliding it into the ferrule connector, it's not going to start bunching up on you. At least it shouldn't. Then it's just a matter of sliding it in, putting it into the crimping tool, giving it a good hard crimp, and when you come out, then it will look a lot better and it should go a long way to helping avoid a lot of problems. Thing number 2, it is a non-slip handle on the crimping tool, and that helps avoid inconsistent crimping results. Also just helps you keep a good grip on the tool so you can squeeze it all the way in, and just about the time you think you're done, you may need to do just a little bit more because the tool should automatically release and the crimped connection end should come right back out. Thing number 3, the best results are with stranded wire. Now there's no reason why you can't do this on solid core, although I can't really come up with a good reason why you can unless you're using a smaller diameter wire than what the ferrule end is set for, and then that way it will help keep that from slipping out and maybe getting nicked and eventually breaking. This is what's going to happen with stranded wire is you're going to, over time, you're going to have one or more strands of wiring that'll start breaking off because as cabling gets flexed or things get moved around, it can cause other problems. So this is going to help protect that because the insulated part of the ferrule end should slide just right over where the insulation still resides on the wiring. So it's going to help mobilize that whole connection. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus, this comes with a nice zip case to help the crimp connections or the tool from getting misplaced. And this way, it keeps them both together so when you do need to use them, and it's clearly labeled on the outside of the zip case what it is, you're not going to end up with the crimp ends somewhere and you may not remember where they ended up. It's also going to help protect the crimping tool because if you take care of your tools, they'll stay with you for quite a while. So take a look at this one and think about getting one today. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate it. Please look in the description for the URL to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.